Let's start. The project name is Kotlin Synthetic. Generally, in any Android project, we use the findViewById function to get access to any UI component. But, using Kotlin Synthetic, we can bypass using the findViewById function, and we can directly access any UI component. Let's see the project structure. In the app-level-build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity here. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. We have a text view here, which doesn't have a text in it yet. Let's see the code. So we have a constraint layout as our root layout. And then, we have a text view. It has text view 1 as the ID. Let's see the Kotlin code. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app.compat activity. In the onCreate function, we have directly accessed the text view using its ID name, and then we have set some text in it. This is possible because of Kotlin Synthetic. Generally, first, we declare a UI component and then call the findViewById function to access that component. But now, thanks to the Kotlin Synthetic, we don't need to do all of that, and we can directly access any UI component using its ID name like this. Let's run the app. As you can see, we have accessed the text view using Kotlin Synthetic and put some text in it. So that's it, that's how you can use the Kotlin Synthetic in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.